Hi, Crafty Angels. To Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. I almost forgot my own site, my own saying. Today I'm here with a Dollar Tree haul. And what I got, one, is this coffin, and it's clear. And then I have one also, and like a, I don't know, like, it's like a purple green style coffin. And I got these. Haha. I know what I'm going to use those for. I got me some gel pens, some box cutters, these stickers, these little witch pricks, or witch picks, witch hat picks, right there. There's 3 of them. I got 2 of them in my hand. There's the other 2. They came out in the bag. Okay. And then that's it. So I will say thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. So please be kind, be happy, be safe, be crafty, be blessed. Light and love to everyone. And I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. And bye-bye for now.